Now we are discussing about money making options. In that, today we are discussing about cookery classes, online, in person. In case a skillful professional cook doesn't fancy the idea of slogging it out at a restaurant or food truck business, there is an alternative: cookery classes. This is a unique trend that is catching on among urban and semi-urban families in India as something that people create, something that is delicious yet healthy. What is more, it is even possible to carry out these classes both in person and online, or one could make a vlog teaching others the intricacies of culinary skills. The scope to expand and monetize from potential market segments that one might not be able to reach otherwise increase manifold by taking advantage of the online route. So cookery classes is also very useful to all. So bakery shops also, those who are interested to start bakery shops also, they can learn, they can take a cookery classes, cooking class. Cookery means cooking classes. By that, bread making and some traditional sweets making and routine sweets making. All these, if they learn, they can implement immediately in their shops. And not only bakery shops, and sweet shops will be there, and chaat bandars will be there, and tiffin centers also. Cooking is also a very good service to teach and to practice and to learn also. It is also a profitable business, and a very good income will be there in this also. Wishing you all the best.